Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara and here I do unboxings and reviews, and today we have Boxycharm. So I've been just a little agitated with Boxycharm because I don't like my picks. My picks have been horrible. So let's unbox this and let's see what we got. And I feel like you're gonna see why I'm not happy anymore. So, but then again, as soon as I opened it, like it's like, okay, well, I see something that I like off the top. Okay, but that might be my beauty boost too, because you got that beauty boost, and that kind of makes a huge difference. All right, here we go. So first thing, I'm pretty sure this was my boost, and it is the Biro Salmon Cream, which I've been dying to try. So this is not a bad thing. This is a good thing. I don't know. It's like I get agitated with the picks that I get, but then like I open the box and it's like, well, that is actually kind of cool. So, okay. And then next we have Complexion Essential Brush Set by Jasmine. Okay. I always say you can't have too many brushes, but, and of course, I'm not going to be able to open this. Oh, wait. Okay. I love getting brushes, but these are, I don't know, like, trust me, I'll find a use for them. Like, okay, they're all right. These are my favorite right here. These, and I love kabuki brushes, and I love foundation brushes. Those are my favorite brushes. I have brushes for literally days upon days upon days. So yeah, God, that was a mess. But yeah, I love getting brushes because I don't know, like they all kind of serve a different purpose, and I love brushes, but whenever I get these great big brushes, I don't know, it just seems like it's not that I have a ton of them, it's just that I don't use them as often as I do like my little brushes. All right, what is next? Okay, the Man Eater Tart. Okay, I remember when I picked this, I was like, I have got this like a million times, but I've always got it in sample sizes. So this is going to go to my daughter. Yeah, we've all seen this like a billion and one times. And I obviously have not been that impressed with it, or I would be truly happy to get it. So yeah, that's going to go to my girl because she really likes mascara, and uh, you know, she's just starting out on her makeup journey. And so mascara is one of the, easier things to start out with. So here, okay, and it's even small. The only reason that I picked this is because it was Keys. It's a dang balm, like a lip balm. If I had to get a lip balm, like that just shows you and tells you what this was a pick. So, no smell to it. Like, if you're going to give me a lip thing, and especially as a pick, can it be like a plumper or something that I mean, trust me, I love Keys stuff, but I don't know. Like, really, I had to pick a lip balm. I usually don't even pick lip products. So, I mean, that should tell you something. Okay, so next we have Danessa Merrick Beauty Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil. So I don't know much about this, and I don't remember if it was a pick or I don't think so because I don't remember it. So while I'm opening, do not forget to like and subscribe and comment and share and hit the notification bell. That way, anytime I make a video, you'll know and all of that. And I want to say a special thank you to Autumn for being so awesome and always commenting. And because she is always commenting, I sent her a SpongeBob bag and some goodies, and she sent me something before I got the chance to send her something. So thank you, Autumn, for always being a part of my channel. You've been one of the big reasons that I've kept going. Okay, so check that out. That actually looks pretty cool. And I'm guessing that this is I guess it's an eyeliner, but it's like a duochrome, maybe? Yep. All right, so I will play with that and see. It's really tiny. That's interesting. And what else is interesting is don't have a, I don't have my paper to tell you how much this stuff is. I do not know where it is at. It is usually in the box, but I'm not seeing it. Okay, so last but not least is Natasha Denona. It is the Alloy Cheek Oh, no. No. Okay, well, it's... That looks really pretty, too. Why is it always the really good stuff? Why? Damn it. I don't care. Sorry, I cursed. Well, I guess it's time to call customer service. Like, okay, so, it was in a box. Like, it's not like it was outside of the box. And, like, it just makes me wonder, did they know that this was broken? Is that why they sent this to me? I didn't even pick it. Like, this was not one of my picks. This is just what I got. All right. Well, that sucks because I can't really show you guys. So that's, let's see. So that's, I guess, the bronzer, and this is the highlighter. So yeah, it's really pretty, and I guess, honestly, I could still use it. I don't know, Ipsy's or Boxycharm, like their customer service I have dealt with before, and they are not easy to deal with. So I don't know. I may or may not. I don't know. Sometimes it's just not worth the fight. Seriously. But I don't know. Like, you get something like that, you want it to be nice and pretty. So yeah. I probably will reach out to customer service. Like, seems like I'm constantly forever, like, reaching out to customer service. Not necessarily Ipsy, just in general. But I get a lot of boxes, and yeah. So, okay, let me tell you guys what I have coming, because I did so well with the Labor Day sale with Truly. I was able to get the Charlotte Tilbury, her advent calendar. And also, I didn't get the big one because, my gosh, it's like $300. I couldn't do that. But I got this smaller advent calendar by my other girl, P. Louise. So, yeah, I have that coming, and I decided to, after that, like, it was like, all right, I want to pick, and trust me, those are Afterpaid. So I also was like, I want to start a new box. And after going through so many, I just couldn't find one that seemed to, like, I got the Walmart one, like, which is the last thing that I would have thought. I mean, I've already either got them before or they are just too expensive. The Walmart one is like $8. So why not try it? Why not? So, all right, I guess I'm going to end it there. And again, thank you, Autumn. And also thank you, Nicole. She is one who bought quite a bit over the Labor Day sale from Truly. And of course, don't forget, if you decide that you would like to order some beautiful Truly products, it's Truly Terra 15, and that'll get you 15% off. And usually they've got some kind of sale going. They've either got if you spend over a certain amount, you get a couple of minis, which I just ordered from them. I got their sub box again, which that's another thing. It's like, do you guys want to keep seeing me get the Truly sub box, or have we come to the end of that road? I love getting the bags, but it's really starting to become like so many repeats, and the products that you get in the I one of the last times I got the unicorn fruit deodorant, which I was really stoked about. But you don't get any of the new products. So I don't know. I'm starting to question whether I want to keep spending that $120 every month. And I was able to, a few times I could kind of step out of it, the subscription part, and I could add a code or I could get so much off of it. Well, now they've nixed that, so you can't put in a code anymore. So you absolutely have to pay that 120 if you want to be a part of that subscription, which I feel like if you want to get it one time, you should be able to get one subscription and find out if you like it or not. And then, if you want to keep going, you go, and then you get a certain percentage off. But instead, they have it kind of backward. That, most places have where you can get one box, see if you like it, then you can subscribe. So I'm a little agitated over that. It seems like there's always something that I'm getting agitated about with them. I don't know. I mean, I love them. It's just one of those love-hate relationships, especially with the sub box. So you guys tell me, do you think that I should keep getting the sub box? The thing with the sub box is I get the bags, and I love the bags. I love getting the bags. And I tried to put on like the Facebook group, like, why don't we do something different than the bags? I probably should have made a whole video different about this, but like, let's do something other than the bags. You've got plenty of merch. Let's, do something different. But I haven't heard anything back. I don't know. So the question was, would you guys like to see me continue to get this with the bags, or would you rather me get something different every month and review it? I don't know. You guys let me know. All right, now I am really going to shut up now, and I will see you guys in the next. Bye.